Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to swap USDT to Ton on Tonkeeper Wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we're right now on the main homepage, and from here in the wallet section, you can scroll down until you see the top earnings and the top coins that are pinned on your collection. Now from here, all you have to do is click on swap, and then from here, as you can see, you can simply swap from USDT Ton to normal Ton. And then from here, once you have the balance, all you have to do is click on continue and it will send it directly. Now, in case you would like to send it for USDT Ton, but in the other section, then all you have to do is go to your settings. And then from here, once you scroll down until you see the USDT TRC20 is enabled or disabled. If you enable it, then you can go back. And then from here, as you can see, it appears right there where you can click on swap. And then from here, you can show you to the next page, or you can just swap it for any other currency that you might have. And as you can see, you can change it from USDT TRC to Ton or the opposite way. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.